Sharing short, practical air conditioning maintenance videos helps homeowners learn simple tasks that prevent breakdowns and lower energy bills. Regularly posting clear, step-by-step maintenance videos builds confident do-it-yourself skills and reduces avoidable service calls. Start each clip by showing the exact model plate and safety steps like turning power off at the disconnect and circuit breaker so viewers never guess. Demonstrate filter removal and size checking, then show how to clean or replace filters with gentle guidance about pleated versus fiberglass types and when to upgrade for better efficiency. Explain how to clear debris from the outdoor condenser using a soft brush and a garden hose on low pressure while keeping the fins straight with a fin comb if they are bent. Walk through checking condensate drain lines by locating the access, flushing with a cup of white vinegar followed by water, and testing for proper flow. A slow drain indicates algae or a clog that needs more attention. Offer a simple tip for observing airflow and temperature split across the supply, and return vents using 2-room thermometers to catch issues early. A normal temperature drop is around 15 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and consistent readings mean the system is working properly. Remind viewers to schedule a professional tune-up annually for refrigerant checks and safe diagnostics that require licensed tools. Common mistakes include recommending aggressive cleaning that damages delicate fins, so show gentle cleaning and use a fin comb rather than a metal scraper. Another frequent issue is neglecting electrical safety. So always instruct viewers to turn off power at both the disconnect and the main breaker, and to avoid touching capacitor terminals. If they are unsure about electrical components, they should stop and call a professional. A third concern is misdiagnosing refrigerant problems as simple airflow issues, which leads to wasted time and possible system damage. Advise monitoring airflow and temperature split first, and reserving refrigerant checks for trained technicians. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors through local project listings and a community discussion forum where we trade tips and video links about topics like air conditioning maintenance. We help homeowners find contractors when a job needs professional attention, and we help contractors find work by giving them a place to connect with nearby clients and answer questions.